Yeah, I filmed the whole thing yesterday.
People who surround you feel the benefit of it. It makes you count. She holds you captivated in her power. Suddenly I see. This is what I wanna be. Suddenly I see. Why the hell it means so much to me. This is what I wanna be. Suddenly I see. Why the hell it means so much to me. And I feel like walking the world, like walking the world.
Right. Like how does one get that? A million girls would kill for that job.
She fills up every corner
That's so-
like she's born in black and white. Makes you feel warmer when you're trying to
Oh, this is gonna be
remember
prime
what you
footage.
are. She likes
That
to
was
leave
Prada
you
2.
hanging on a word.
May 1st, 2026.
This is what I want.
Make sure you go see it. Take your friends, take your family.
Why the hell it means so much to me. This is what I wanna be. Suddenly I see. Why the hell it means so much to me. And she's taller than most. She's looking at me. I can see her eyes looking from the page of the magazine. She makes me feel like I could be a tower. Big strong tower, yeah. About to be, about to give, about to see, yeah, yeah. Suddenly I see. She got the power to be, the power to give, the power to see, yeah, yeah. Suddenly I see. She got the power to be, the power to give, the power to see, yeah, yeah, yeah. Suddenly I see. She got the power to be, the power to give, the power to see, yeah, yeah. Suddenly I see. She got the power to be, the power to give, the power to see, yeah, yeah. Suddenly I see. This is what I wanna be. Suddenly I see. Why the hell it means so much to me. This is what I wanna be. Suddenly I see. Why the hell it means so much to me. Oh, yeah, yeah. Suddenly I see. Why the hell it means so much to me. Yeah, yeah.
Times Square.
Suddenly I see. Why the hell it means so much to me.
But now I've come back again. I know how to like this life. Why won't you do I know much is true. I know
above the iHeart New York store. Across from the Beauty Appliance store. That's the screen my ads are on. Right here. Right there. That's the screen my video. This one right here. I love New York. Fireman.